Okay, so very good afternoon to everyone. This is me, Kinnari Halvadia, and here I am with another topic from paper number 15, Mass Media and Communication, and my respective topic is cinema through media. Okay, so first of all, have a glance on what is cinema. The cinema, technically, the word itself derives from the ancient Greek kinema, meaning movement. Historically, it is a shortened version of the French cinematograph and invention of two brothers, Augustin and Louis Lumiere, that combined kinema with another Greek root, graphing, meaning to write or record. Okay, importantly, a powerful medium of communication is that cinema is much more than the interesting of art and technology. Like language itself, cinema is surrounding the enveloping substance that carries what is with his what it means to be human in a specific time and place. It meditates our experience of the world, helps us to make sense of things, and in doing so, often helps shape the world itself. It's why we often find ourselves confronted by some extraordinary event and find the only way to describe it is it was like a movie. So here are the ages of cinema. That the silent age was 1913 to 1927. The transition age was 1928 to 1932. The Hollywood studio age to 1932 to 1946. The inter the inter The Lumiere brothers shot a film in Paris on 20th December 1895. 1890s films became several minutes ago first successful permanent theater showing only film, the Nickelodeon. In 1929, The Lights of New York, the first talking film, was screened. The early 1990s saw development of a commercially successful independent cinema in the United States. In 20s, the documentary film also rose as a commercial genre for perhaps the first time. Okay, history of Indian cinema. The first Indian feature film, Pundalik, was made in 1912 but was shot by Englishmen. In 1913, Dada Saheb produced the first Indian film, was Raja Harishchandra. Since then, 1981, more than 15,000 movies were produced in India. In 1983, it was India's sixth largest industry, grossing around $600 annually. The first ever movie to be screened in India was The Boston Hotel in Bombay on the 7th of July 1986. In 1932, Indra Sabha has about 70 songs. This was era when music became a vital part of the industry. Films are made in almost 30 of the official language, but among them, few are very famous and commercialized. Those languages are Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, Telugu. This is a great deal of mobility in the Indian film industry. So this is the point which we are going to discuss, that cinema and mass media. The first one is information, education, entertainment, transmission of culture and social changes. Okay, so the information and inspiration movie that provides us information easily and effectively. Documentary skills can help to get a very deep knowledge about any matter. Biographical movie can also real event also somehow educated in their own way. So the first one is the movie Gandhi, was released in 1982, and that was a period biographical film based on the life of Mahatma Gandhi. The another one is the Mary Kom, that was Fogart. Hello.
I think your mobile is disconnected. Your slide from where you were sharing is disconnected. Yeah. You have to reshare again.
Okay, sorry for that.
There is, I think, some low network, so your voice also is occasionally breaking.
Yes. Okay, from where I have to start?
Yeah, go on. It was just a few seconds only from where you were doing that only.
Okay. So I was at the Dangal movie. It was released in 2016, and Manvir Fogart, a former wrestler, he decided to fulfill his dreams of winning a gold medal for his country by training his daughter. So the another one is education with message. We learned Hindi and most of English words from television to see cinema. People who have a lack from education, cinema can help them to understand. There are several movies that are trying to teach us something, and the first one is Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par was released at 2007. It was an Indian Hindi film. Ishan criticized by his parents for his poor academic performance, but his and sent him to the boarding school. But there were art teacher Nikum sir. He was uncover him with potential. 2007. It was an Indian Hindi film. There is echo sound. Criticized by his parents for his poor academic performance, but his art and sent him to the boarding. Hello. There were art teacher Nikum sir. He was uncover him with potential. Sir, your mic is on. Echo sound is here. Hello. Okay, now it is. Okay, so another one is Three Idiots. Three Idiots was released at 2009. In college, there were three friends. They have a bear meet years later because of the bet gives them chance to look for their long lost friendship. The another one is a black movie that was released in 2005, and a teacher educate dumb girl and take a challenge to graduating her college. The another one is a Super 30, and we all are aware with this movie. It was released in 2019, and Anand Kumar, a mathematician, successfully cleared out the exam of poor students of IIT. So the another one is social changes. Social changes have to be a part of our life. I'm surely say that the Indian parents are avoid to this kind of a movie with their to change the mind and situations as well. Toilet Ek Prem Katha was released in 2017, and it was a Hindi language Indian movie. Keshav falls in love with Jaya and gets married to her. However, she complains that there is no toilet in the house, and he says he told her to manage he tries to specify that please arrange the situation temporarily. Another one is the Padman, which was released in 2018, and the Lakshmikant upset when he sees Gayatri, his wife, using an unhygienic cloth during her menstrual cycle. Thereafter, he creates a machine that can be affordable sanitary pads and raise awareness about that. So the another one is web series. This is the image for more shots, please. Web series and for unapologetically fold a fold woman leave love blunder and discover, and what really makes them a trick through. They lives in Bombay, and there were four girls. In the blue, there was Damini Rizvi Roy. She was a successful journalism. In this white T-shirt, she was Umang. She was a gym trainer, and she follows LGBT, and she was a lesbian in that web series. The another one is Kirti. She was a divorced single mother, and in this yellow, she was Siddhi Patel, a Gujju girl, and she faced a problem to choose her profession. Oh, okay, the another one is the Hagged. Hagged, you can say a web series or a movie. Hagged movie was released at 2020, and Shamaira's boyfriend disappointed her at her birthday, and she broke up with him, and she slept with this Vivek. The Vivek is sitting with this laptop, and the Vivek hacks into everything to make Samaira's life miserable. You can clearly see the situation in this image, that how Vivek hacked her life. Okay, so according to me, Indian parents, Indian people, or Indian children, Indian youth, or we can say every Indian, 70% Indian may take a bad impact from the cinema, but they have to see a good impact. Here you can see this is the chart that I have maken. According to that a good impact, they have to take inspiration from that moral life lesson and broadness mind. Broadness mind they have to take from cinema, but they have a higher bad impact more. From that, the people takes wrong, misleading youth stunts and wrong impact on child. There is no doubt that cinema entertains the masses, but it does not educate them. Today, people do not like taking advice, and film based on giving pieces of advice to the audience. Audience fails miserably. Hence, the director, whose sole aim to gain profit from these films, give all such kind of nonsense in order to gain people's interested and money. We are not saying that all directors have a positive intention to make a good impact in people, but some other directors, they have only they are only interested to gain money also. So here there is a conclusion. The film industry has grown rapidly for the past years and has brought about a lot of changes in the society. In fact, in a good way also and a bad way, to film is a powerful and effectively genre of communication. Films drew heavily from reality, portraying situations that have resembles to the everyday stress and inspiration of viewers' lives. The movie recognized the link between their lives and films in both general and specific terms. So here are the citations. Okay, thank you.